Hi, and welcome back to the myHopscotch video series on how to buy or lease a new vehicle. You know, for most of us that like to negotiate our own vehicles, our ego gets in the way. Frankly, we feel that we can go it alone. But the fact of the matter is no matter how good you feel about a deal, how big of a deal is it if you don't follow our process to a T? Well, let me tell you, with one wrong twitch in the face of an expert negotiating dealer, with one wrong yes or no at the appropriate time, you could have cost yourself hundreds, if not thousands of dollars on your deal. You may still think and feel you negotiated a great deal, but with so many variables in what you pay and what you get, you would never know for certain that you could not have paid less. So the solution to this problem, this conundrum, is very simple. There's only two ways to find out for certain. Follow this entire process as we've delineated in the entire video series, or hire the car buying expert at myHopscotch. You see, at myHopscotch, we document every penny you don't spend that you likely would have without us. We do this in writing, and we do it guaranteed. Thanks again for watching the myHopscotch How to Buy or Lease a New or Used Vehicle video series. We urge you to use this as a consistent resource as by your side as you negotiate your next vehicle purchase or lease. Thanks again for watching.